In this video, we will look at the new version of the DBJourney Hugger 30 liters. It's a very cool backpack that I use currently for many different purposes in my life. I choose this bag to use as hand luggage for longer trips, as well as day trips and when I visit my girlfriend on the weekends. So, the first impressions. Everything was well packaged and undamaged when the package arrived, which is always nice to see. The bag comes wrapped in plastic and is kept compact with its cardboard strap. The polyester material feels good and looks easy to clean and durable. The bag's stiffness allows it to hold its form very well. You will need to adjust it a bit to get it into shape. After taking it out of the package paper and closing the zippers, the bag starts to take shape. After having many bags, I decided to go for something different this time and choose the moss green color. The 30 liter version currently costs €209, and there is also a 20 liter and a 25 liter version. And besides that, there are also many colors available on the site. For everyday use, I carry another bag, which is the DBJourney 12 liter Essential Backpack. Enough about that. Now an overview. The bag feels sturdy, has its own shape and has a reinforced back. However, there are no protectors on the bottom. When you unzip the bag, you will find a spacious main compartment with several side pockets. The bag has nice details and is well finished. This can be seen in the stitching, metal buckles and zips. In the top compartment, you can store items like your sunglasses, power bank, keys, computer mouse and other small items. Okay, back to the inside, where you will find many small pockets. I have to say I don't often use these, even so they're useful for sorting smaller items when the bag is stuffed. Then, on the side of the bag, there's a laptop pocket suitable for a 16-inch MacBook Pro. I tested it and it fits easily. It also feels well protected. Here's an example of what fits inside to give you a good idea. Starting with my full packed toiletry bag. Then my Bigfoot sized running shoes. My passport book. Another cotton bag. And this foldable umbrella. You could also use these special storage pouches inside the bag. So the conclusion. After 2 months and a trip to Scotland, I can confidently say I'm very pleased with the bag so far. It looks good and adventurous. It feels comfortable and offers enough space for a great trip. To be continued. Thanks for watching.